Hey guys, do you remember Pudgy Penguins? Well, here we go with Abstract. So it's a platform for fun. It's developed by the same team that created Pudgy Penguins. Now, it's going to be launching soon, and it's the first L2 built from the ground up that is for consumers, right? And so it's designed to make crypto apps accessible and enjoyable for everyone, especially newcomers to blockchain. So don't worry if you don't know anything about blockchain. Abstract's going to help you kind of catch the basics for it as well. So let's take a look. And before you do that, click in the link in the description below. Join the waitlist and get the early bird badge because that's going to come handy really, really soon. Right. So, like I was telling, Abstract. Now, I was new to the blockchain space too. I didn't know everything that was going on, and I was really kind of lost. I heard a lot of different phrases and different stuff like that that just kind of put me at a loop. Well, here we have, like I said, Abstract that's really, really good because it's going to allow mass adoption by consumers as well and other major distribution capabilities via the connection to the Pudgy Penguins, right? And there's also really cool projects that are coming to Abstract, like On-Chain Heroes, you have Multiplier Fun, Prospect Sports as well, and even Duper. So, like I said, go ahead and get that early bird badge. Like I said, it's going to be important later on as well. Now, so Abstract. Now, here we're looking at the website as well, where they have the Abstract Global Wallet, the ecosystem, and you can find documents about that. You can kind of go over and see how it works. But just to kind of give you an idea of what AGW is, now it is a cross application, which is a smart contract wallet as well. So that way you can create and interact with other applications that are actually built on Abstract, that's built or that comes from abstraction. Now, it's a very secure way to actually get users, and that once you sign up, and of course, like your regular typical login methods, like your social media, your emails, passkeys, and of course, the other ways that you know how to do. So now I know that it makes it simple for this fact right here. So when I don't always know where my passkeys are, sometimes I forget them, and especially if you're new to crypto, like I was telling earlier, you're kind of it's overwhelming, right? So here, this is going to allow you to actually interact with any application with that using the same login information as well. So you're going to be able to take a look over the overview as well to kind of use the login abstract. It walks you through it. Even better yet, when you're looking at the website, when you're looking at like getting started for it as well, even to build on abstracts, very easy, especially if you don't have any kind of tech background, for example, and you're trying to do so. Like you can build on here and bridge. And they even help you with the codes. So I'm not good at coding. Like for example, connecting to Abstract, the testnet. They even have it so you can connect your wallet right here. They have the RPC as well, and even the mainnet, right? So you have the ZK sync as well. So if you want to install a ZK, you can install it right here with the CLI, run the following command. They give it to you. You can highlight it or just click copy, and the available commands as well. So you can run any of the commands with the ZK sync as well. So create, contract, transactions, wallet, all of this is very, very easy to do. And even the global wallet, like I said, so you have the overview of the wallet, the library integrations as well. So if you want to connect Kit, this is really, really cool. This is what I was really wanting to highlight. So the installation, this is the dependencies right here. The usage, you can configure the providers as well. Now, none of this meant anything for me before, but they provide all of this for you that helps you. So it's going to really make it seamlessly. So, and when you look at the ecosystems, like you have your interoperability, so your layer zero. And if you're new, again, so it's a cross-chain interoperability protocol. That's well, what that really means is that it's going to help you to enable a efficient and a secure communication between the different networks, right? And so this is that layer zero that they're working on. You have oracles as well, so it's a Python network protocol that's going to connect owners of the market data to applications as well, and the RPC providers as well, Blast API and Quick Notes. So you can check out their docs right here. So, like I said, click in the link in the description. Go get that early bird right now. Take a look at their information and save some time and actually start to kind of check out what they have on Abstract without getting the headache of having to log in into different platforms 100 different times just to get somewhere. So go ahead and do that right now. And guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you again next time.